Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate the music application on the terminal command prompt using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the terminal command prompt, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the terminal command prompt. Locate and open up the terminal command prompt on screen. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window as well as the text size on screen. Command plus a couple of times. And now let's ls. If we, let's just say, change directory into applications. Semicolon ls, there is nothing in that applications folder within terminal. Let's change directory again. Now let's go back a couple of directories, cd // ls. Let's go to applications, cd applications, ls. And we cannot locate the music application there. So let's now change directory again. Let's now go back a couple of more directories. cd // ls. Now let's go to system, cd system, applications, semicolon, ls, and we should now see the music application on screen. Let's now open up the music application. Open music.app/ enter, and there we go. We have located and opened the music application on a Mac computer through terminal and the terminal commands that come with it. We can now quit music, clear all the content on screen, exit the terminal, quit terminal. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.